How to reply to Instagram messages on your Mac. If you want to reply to Instagram direct messages using your Mac, this tutorial will walk you through the process. First, open Safari or your preferred web browser and go to the Instagram website. Next, sign into your Instagram account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, click the Messages icon in the left sidebar. Now, select the conversation you want to reply to. Click the Message field at the bottom of the chat and type your reply. If you'd like to include an emoji, click the emoji icon and choose one from the list. You can also attach a photo by clicking the image icon if it's available for your account. When you're ready, press the return key on your keyboard or click the send button to send your message. Your reply will appear in the conversation immediately, and the other person will receive it just like a message sent from the Instagram mobile app. So it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Instagram tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.